Galfar Al Misnad is an engineering conglomerate executing multidisciplinary projects in key development sectors in the state of Qatar since 1995. With extensive expertise in infrastructure, oil and gas, E&I, building and MEP, and facility management, the company has now further diversified into fabrication, aluminium facade, and scaffolding activities. Galfar's reputation for delivering quality projects ensured the growth of this construction company into one of the leading contractors in Qatar today. The company owns a large in-house fleet of more than 1,800 vehicles and equipment to support all its construction activities. To ensure the effective maintenance and repair of its fleet, Galfar now has its own state-of-the-art base workshop in Manatik's Jerry Al Samur Logistics Park in the Salal municipality. The facility is easily accessible by the country's main highways and provides connectivity to Doha, Misaid, Ras Laffan and Dukhan. Enter the main workshop and you will find repair bays for light vehicles, heavy and construction equipment, and the trailer bay. Additional activities on site include an engine ancillary assembly room, auto-electrical repair room, and the heavy vehicle service station. To support the maintenance activities, the base workshop also has its own water service station with jack washing facility, a machine shop, denting and painting facility, tire shop, and seat upholstery facility. The workshop's associated facilities include spare parts, battery and lubricant store, air compressor room and high-pressure air lines, fuel storage tanks and distribution system. The facility also has its own substation to provide power to the entire premises. For the welfare of the employees, there is a dedicated on-site dining facility, clinic, a large training hall, and meeting rooms. There is a firefighting facility that comprises of a fire water pump house, fire hydrants, and installed fire alarm systems, as safety is always the first priority at Galfar Al Misnad. This construction company is globally renowned for the utmost priority it gives to health and safety at the workplace and in all activities. Regular toolbox meetings are held at the workshop to reaffirm a safe working environment for all employees. The workshop is part of Galfar Al Misnad's plant division and also houses the division's office. The plant division manages the entire transport operations, including the maintenance and repair of the fleet, fuel distribution and deployment of drivers and operators. The division is operated by a dedicated team of well-experienced professionals as well as skilled mechanics and technicians. Galfar Al Misnad always strives to conduct business in an environmentally and sustainable manner, and all activities at the workshop comply with local and international sustainability regulations. A detailed waste management system is in place to ensure a clean environment by preventing oil spillage and disposing of hazardous waste in a proper manner in line with MOE guidelines. To support water conservation, rainwater is collected on the premises through gullies which then convey it to a large stormwater holding tank on site. The water collected is reused for watering plants and irrigating the area around the building. As part of Galfar's Go Green initiative, the employees have also made reforestation efforts in the desert location of the workshop by creating green spaces for gardening and farming.